Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear chat history in WhatsApp. First of all, I am going to WhatsApp and select any number that you want to clear. That I want to go this number. Here you can see I have so many chat history. So I want to remove all this from here. For that, first of all, click to three dot menu and from here click to more option, then clear chat. I can see I have interface and click to clear chat. Now it's clear, nothing here. You can clear any chat history by following this method. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.